Water spreadable.
You notice say that video first start from water. They first show water. They not show anybody. They show as water they come. Water, water, can't go back.
Yes.
Then she can't stay for water. Can't the right. Then after she call that finish, she can't face water. I'm feeling like a 7 feeling.
Then suddenly,
Why it be 7 feeling? Why not be I'm feeling just for you or I'm feeling just for you?
I don't
7. I'm feeling just for you. Then the guy come follow back from water. Come outside.
Anyebi do. That's why ebo water spread as I need the body. I need them to take full possession.
So, but no, she get body already, no?
No, Anyedo spread.
Okay, because she first go land. Then to come, maybe she don't go
That's
kiss
why
somebody
she
to go.
You know, say she sit down by that water from morning till night. She no crave move. Because she dey wait for that thing where she dey ride. She describe the kind things where she dey find for a man so that the water go bring him come out. So when you close eye open, suddenly that man can't come out. You can't sing that safe and feeling.
You see, that make me, I can't wonder because you don't get any man where you go meet him for house. When I come sit down on top bed, you don't carry guitar, they play for you. Ain't get another guitar for mine to play. He has another guitar in the mind to play.
Describe the color of that guitar.
My sister in the Lord, don't go there.
Because you never know
You
these
man just
things.
say, I'm feeling.
You know, see as the guy,
feeling.
you know, see as in they look at when they play that.
He can't sit down, the guy sit down there.
Look and say you they waste time on
They waste time, hurry up.
Wow, for you.
Anyway, Aramide,
just for
9 dollars
you.
sit down for inside studio here. Feeling is just for you. What is the name of that video?
Feeling this feeling.
Which kind of thing? Feeling this.
Feeling this feeling.
Okay. We could say our own feeling that feeling.
Feeling that. Easy bit. Remind us.
Feeling that
Feeling that feeling. Are you with me?
I am with you.
Are you with me?
I am with you.
We are doing what?
That feeling.
Feeling that
That
feeling. Hashtag. Uta and I said 2 guesties. 1 guest, 2 guesties. Now get for inside studio.
So, where do 3 guests? Also.
3 guesties. 3 guestesses.
Yes.
So that is continuous present present
Present continuous tense.
Present continuous participle.
Oh.
Participle because if that's when the
I
name
know
of the
ongoing.
participle.
So present continuous ongoing
tense.
Okay.
Now,
Amen.
now 2. There are 2.
Two of
There
them.
are 2 of them. We know why we say make Aramide come sit down first. Our next guest, Uriel Oputa.
Now
Now
for feeling
Charlie
that
boy. Now Charlie boy. You know say Papa the Chris. No wonder.
You not tell me since.
I be not tell you now. Now their family. Their family. So we go allow make she waka enter. So that those of una where one begin the price her, una go know how much to price her. Please I beg, wanna clap her as you really carry waka enter. No waka too much, waka small.
No, with this song where them one day call here can sing.
My woman. My everything.
My brother.
Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top your TV. Make una begin the call to take for price Uriel. Those of them we want buy her to wait for auction her. 2 things now we don't keep for grand. Please remind me.
All right.
You are landed property.
Landed
Adobo.
property.
And the kind of work which involve your soft skill and your
Hard
hard
skill. Tell us first of all, before we tell you, you ask how much you go buy Uriel. She's an rapist. Oh God.
No, come here. We might distribute and explain Adogo artists and artists.
Okay, artists now those who never blow.
So this
those
one-
with their song no the sweet. Like Blackface is an artist.
No. We no say no.
No, they call name. Neither they go beat
It's
you.
okay. No call
I no go
name
call
again.
name again. Okay. Those we not blue. Now be we not sabi sing. Now be artists.
So you do artists.
Artists. Okay, 2 of them now artists. Then be okay.
So,
Okay, una don't see Aramide already. I beg, gonna join us. Welcome Uriel Oputa. How is you? And another thing again. She they do shmishmi.
Huh?
Shmishmi. Like, say Ojo Elabwa.
Wait.
Say Ojo Elabwa.
Ojú ọlẹ́bọ.
Wait, say Ajamwadi.
Ajangwa.
You see, say.
Aramide say Ajamwadi.
Are you trying?
Hey, sister, say something.
This guy say corn and roasted yam for road.
him?
Ajangbadi.
Andrew,
Say, give me Igbo one. Stop giving me.
Say Ajangbadi.
Say it again.
Ajangbadi.
Ajangbadi.
Now like now your D, now she talk, now your body. Now only Ajang, your body, now she talk. Say, okay, say, Egwu Lazo.
Egwu azu.
Okay, oh yeah, talk this one. Mberede ala bossa wali di egwu.
Mbele adazo.
Anyway, Aramide, how is you?
I'm fine.
How is your ministry?
The ministry is moving.
Which kind of music you dey do apart from my water style of music where we know? Which other style of music you dey do?
My style of music now soul music.
Soul.
Yes.
Okay,
I
to
think
win people, to win soul.
Afro soul. Make I explain now to you.
I do Afro pop, Afro fixing.
Tomorrow now, person
Afro
go come and
soul.
go say, what kind of music do?
Afro
I do
body.
deliverance music. Afro deliverance. Explain to me.
Okay, Afro soul now. The fusion of African music.
Okay, what's in the fusion?
The
Bringing
mixture.
together.
Okay.
Oh, like crossbreeding, like you want
you go say
crossbreed
Miss
dog.
Kobo of like Guinea.
Crossbreeding.
Dog. If you
No,
want crossbreeding.
okra and egusi together.
What about I do crossbreeding? Go guess what you call here now. They do crossbreeding and mixture.
No one and a Calabar person you come from. How you no go know crossbreeding? They chat dog. Continue.
Okay, now the crossbreeding of African music,
Okay.
like African language,
Okay.
talking drum, or African flute, together with soul music. Let's say soul music now, Igbo music.
Okay.
Then the Afro now, our own music. So come bring the two
So you come
together
mix and mash.
to create balance.
Balance. You which kind of music you they do?
I they do.
I
I'm trying to
see how do get S.
Oh,
I did
God.
I did
Okay, it's Afro house.
I tell you this thing.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night you go hear Afro deliverance.
Put money in
This
our
one say
house.
Afro soul.
Afro soul.
This one Afro house. Our own Afro compound. What is the Afro house?
It's
House music and South African music. All those people they do South African quite.
yes, like
Naim be
that.
house.
Okay, Naim be-
Naim be Niniola, that kind of music.
Oh.
Similar, but I put Igbo into.
You like this.
Not Igbo now.
My sister in the Lord. See this kind girl. You see all this kind girl. If I talk now, they go say they do too spoil. You know those kind of people when if you say when they go to form, please don't go there. Like we are fearful, you know. That kind of when when their husband they minister to them for house. You see that for they go. Hey, nah, shimemia, igwom, shimemia. Hey, I'm here so bad. Here bad. It is so bad. Then wait. Oh, sorry. Oh, do it. So, Aramide, tell us when you start music.
I started music when I was a long time ago, about 10 years ago. Yes.
Guinea.
You don't
thing
reach
wey you dey
like
speak,
10
see as we dey
years.
look
No,
like
we
color
don't we
TV.
we don't know what you they
I'll
talk.
say 10 years.
I say 10
okay.
years.
Make I explain. You don't reach 10 years.
Okay.
Why don't they do
Professional.
music?
When you dey vex, na so your voice dey be.
Yeah.
Nobody go take you serious. Stop it! Don't touch me! Felix, good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, Oga.
Are you with me?
I am with you.
Felix, talk to the. What you make you call us? You say welcome back.
Tell me you. Anna.
Felix, talk to the. What you make you call us?
I want to hear those fine girls now.
On what hail now? Inhale them.
I hear those fine girls.
Mona
They
inhale.
hear you.
Hey, what's up?
Now, good evening for you. I don't know.
So you.
I'm feeling the feeling.
Hey!
Answer.
You're feeling the Mami water angle.
All of the Jerry should join together.
So who you want marry? Who you want auction for? Now you real I've been Aramide.
Now that's Charlie Boy. That's Charlie Boy.
Hey, that could be a cool, my brother. So you get work?
It's not the money. Now, not the money. Now,
My brother, you get work. Which work you they do?
Go back. Go sit down.
You dey work?
Off
Wait,
your phone.
you dey work?
Say no work. You say no work.
I dey work for Aso Rock.
Person talk for us, not the work talk like this. Go and sit down. Bye. Good night. From Bayelsa, good evening, Biko. Hey, I hope so now go let us talk to these fine girls. Hello.
Yeah.
Bye. How long you don't do
You
music?
say 10 years.
Professional, no, that's when 10 years ago, how would I say? Now, 10 years ago, I discovered, I feel sing, I feel write.
Thank God, not be from Bele you start.
No. But professionally, it don't reach like 5 years.
Professionally,
Yes.
5 years.
Yes.
Now you don't sing so now.
Yes.
Market. Why you Aramide? Now just recently I began here Aramide. You understand where you did since for that 5 years? You did sell market, you did sell CD or waiting. What happened?
I did Lagos, so I did do music, but now small. Before I did under Tribe Records.
Oh,
Yes.
LD did done.
I did it for like 2 years. Then yes, LD did done.
They done.
Then after some time, I moved to Baseline.
The dumb.
I
Continue.
moved to Baseline Records,
Okay.
and so
You see, Dede.
You see the
Yeah, I did Baseline Records.
Baseline record, not be the which
Skills.
Skills. Oh.
Yes, how it is.
Oh, but it be like say any place when it be say run come on for there. No.
I didn't get that.
You know, my sister, so well done.
Well done. Ekene, good evening.
Good evening.
Hey, are you with me? Why are you there happy?
I am with you.
Why are you there happy?
That Afro compound ready then I didn't make me happy this man.
Afro compound. Your own so you dey work?
Why not?
You get landed property?
No, I forget about the compound. I get land already. Forget compound.
Which kind of work you dey work?
I got to leave that one.
Ngbade go. No, you're not serious.
For now.
Some only serious people you dey want.
That's more interesting.
Gene, bye. You're not serious. Ekene, you're not serious. Go.
If una your score, talk your matter, talk as they
Talk
do you
your-
for body. If you are
How
feeling
much
the
you
feeling,
get?
hashtag the feeling, then talk
Feeling
your
the
matter.
feeling. Talk your feeling.
If you get your store, I have $75 billion.
Small money.
You know, after all, after all, they have more than
Osas
that.
from Osogbo.
Hello, Nedu, how you doing?
Now, babe, I dey here.
You know the funny, that funny guy.
Nedu,
Are you with me?
you're welcome. Kesson, you are welcome. You are
Thank
welcome.
you, thank
I
you.
love you. I'm with you, Nedu. Busy bit, I see you.
Aye, boss.
Do now. I get background here. And they watch you now. Una too much. We don't una. Babe, come.
Area girl, they love you. Hey! Area girl, they love you. That one, if you do anyhow. Bye. Oh, wait, girl, now. Easy beat and go kill you today.
I mean, where you come from?
Osogbo. Where are those girls where they drink snuff? They're a big snuff for that correct, yeah?
Yours one piece of advice. If you want to go, she'll go pass for night.
Then, Uriel, come. What is your real name?
Urel,
Where you come from?
Imo State.
Who be
Uriel?
Ukuta? What is Uriel?
Okay, my real name is Urel Ngozeka
Why you not come the answer Ngozeka?
because my first name is Urel.
Who be your papa?
You know why?
I know what I'm asking. Please, is it your question? Is it your question?
You don't get ready for a lawyer. Her papa is waiting.
Is it your papa? Who is your papa?
know, see
My
the sign of
papa
the
know
cross.
they around though.
Your partner there. Now make I ask you, how long don't they do music?
Let's say about I don't know, since I was 5.
How you know?
So
go do
very
music?
long time.
I know go do music.
I grew up in church, so I grew up.
If they grew up in church, we grew up where?
From Italy, good evening.
Now,
Slide.
what street?
Wait, Slide, they come from Italy. Slide, good evening.
Sylvester.
Evening, Nedu.
Are you with me?
I am with you.
Okay.
Welcome.
What?
Thank you. You know, say they know they shout where in the
Slide. Okay, Slide. You dey walk?
You supposed to know that.
No, we don't know.
We now know.
I saw a dude, what kind of walk?
What kind of walk?
I don't know.
Is it on the internet or on the outside net?
I'm into fashion, so don't ask me.
Hey, fashion people now, they don't know.
Hey,
Hey,
I was like, you don't Jerry call your head like
do you know they don't know? You know they don't know?
I don't know about her, but something like that.
See, then I was sound like.
Sylvester.
Wait,
What are you, man or
talk
woman?
through. What to make you call?
I got your number before now, but I want to be feeling the feeling of that fine day when they get.
Which one?
Which one?
You're supposed to know now.
We don't know
We
now.
don't know. We don't know.
So for the time you
See, man, they went to the other side.
You know one shout. Where your madam day?
Where your girlfriend dey?
That's why you know one
The
shout.
house.
She know the answer. You know what should make neighbor not hear? Hello, hi love. I heard your boyfriend talk to another girl. How much you get?
No, you need to ask. Don't ask.
Bye bye, they go.
Don't ask.
You dey steal food, you dey dodge, you dey come.
You dey steal food, you don't tell because
she
your
like
head.
person wey go dey proud of her.
You know.
We go carry our waka for road, okwaya.
No, this like they wear tight leather trousers.
You know, say,
And leather
don't
jacket.
talk to me like that. It's not like that. Let's go and go say easy bit soft. Justice, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you? Your TV is still loud.
Nedu, how you doing?
Your TV they loud. What if and bye bye, good night, Justice.
Nedu,
Ma?
Yes.
if you cut me off, I will shoot you. God.
Okay. Oh yeah, what to make you call?
Brother.
I want to talk to Charlie Boy.
He get them. And get Charlie boy.
Uriel, I talk to her.
Ngozi
She dey hear you.
Nedu,
She dey hear you now.
Ngozi I'm get Charlie boy. When you hear Charlie boy,
She dey hear you.
Nedu,
Talk to her now.
Charlie, how are you, my dear? How are you doing?
I already know my dear.
Answer now.
Are they okay? I'm fine.
You're good. You're looking take away, eh?
Thank you.
Don't worry, I get money to take care of you.
It's not about money, thank you. I'm not looking. Thank you, though.
Yeah, I know you're okay, but Nedu, they ask how much people get.
You never talk now.
Ask her how much.
Money take grand.
Nedu say I should ask you how much you get.
I get 1.5 billion.
Hey, whoa.
Dollars or pounds or euros? No, wait first.
You not get money.
Dollars or pounds or euros?
Zimbabwean dollar.
Dollar.
Now Zimbabwean dollar. The bye bye justice. Goodie. Bye bye. Okay, I'm not going to small chicken bread for you. We got plenty of questions to ask and time no day. You get one Aramide video where I go like one watch. Now very sweet video. I love and well. In fact, if not be one, if not be sending motor, would they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.